Hello everyone. Stay safe at home and focus on your studies. Today I am back with a new chapter expressing the present. What is a tense? Tense is the form taken by a verb to show the time of an action. Means it shows the time when the action's happening. A verb can show actions happening in three different times. Accordingly, it can be in three major forms. What are they? They are present tense, past tense and future tense. Now we will discuss the present tense. The present tense has four forms. What are they? They are simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. First, we will discuss the simple present tense. Simple present tense is also called the present indefinite. It tells us about a situation or an action in the present time. Means the tense tells about an action in the present time. It is used to express habitual or repeated actions. It shows the habit or the actions of somebody which are repeated. Now we will see the examples. Number 1. He drinks tea every morning. This is his habit. Every day morning he drinks tea. So we will use your simple present tense drinks. Number 2. I get up every day at 5 a.m. This is also a habit, get up at 5 a.m. every day. So we use here the simple present tense get. Third number, my watch keeps good time. This is repeated action. My watch always keeps good time. So we use here the simple present tense keeps. Last number example. My father goes to the market on Sundays. This is also repeated action or habit of my father. My father goes to market on every Sunday. So we used here goes. Simple present tense is used to express general or universal truths. Means it expresses truths or scientific facts which we cannot change. Look at the examples. Number 1. The sun rises in the east. Means the sun every day rises in the east. We cannot change the direction from east to west. Honey is sweet. Honey is always sweet in taste. Number 3. The earth goes round the sun. This is also a scientific fact. The earth always goes around the sun. We cannot change it. 4 number example. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. Water always boils at 100 degree centigrade. It cannot change its nature. Next point, simple present tense is used in proverbs. Look at the proverbs. A bad workman always blames his tools. Actions speak louder than words. Always put your best foot forward. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. First sentence, your verb blames. Second sentence, speak. Third sentence, put. And fourth sentence, keeps. All these four verbs are in simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to give instructions or commands. When we give command or order or instructions to others, we use simple present tense. Look at the examples. Shut the front door. Clean your room. Catch the ball. Drive for a kilometer and then take a right turn. That all the verbs are in simple present tense. Look at the next point. It is used to express a future event or action that is part of a fixed timetable or fixed program. Simple present tense is also used for future when the program is fixed. Number 1 example, the match starts at 9 o'clock. So in this sentence, time is already fixed when the match starts. So we use here the simple present tense starts. Second number, the train leaves at 5:20 p.m. Here also time is already fixed when the train leaves. So we will use here the simple present tense verb leaves. Third number, father leaves for Mumbai tomorrow. Here the program is fixed when father leaves. That's why we use here the verb in simple present tense. Fourth number, when does the coffee house reopen? Time is fixed when every day the coffee house opens. So that's why here also we use the simple present tense verb does. Simple present tense is used in exclamatory sentences that begin with here and there to express what is actually taking place in the present. Here are some examples. Number 1, here comes the clown. First sentence here is used, so we use the simple present tense comes. Second sentence, there she goes. Here there we use there, that's why the verb is in simple present tense goes. To form the simple present tense, we use the base form of the verb or add s or es to the base form. With the simple present tense, we use expressions of time such as always, never, often, usually, sometimes and every day. Different forms of the simple present tense. Affirmative sentence. I, we, you, they plus base form of the verb. Example you see, we play football. I play football. You play football. They play football. With he, she, it plus base form of the verb plus s or es. Examples, he goes to school every day. She speaks politely. So here the subject he and she both are in third person singular number. That's why with the verb we use here es and s. Number 2, negative sentences. I, we, you, they do not base plus base form of the verb. Example, I do not like sweets. We do not like sweets. You do not like sweets. They do not like sweets. With the first person singular plural and second person and singular plural, and in third person plural number we use do not. Then see the next one, he, she, it plus does not plus base form of the verb. So when your subject is in singular, third person singular, then we use in the negative sentence we use does not. He does not play football. She does not play football. See the interrogative sentences means question. Do plus I plus we. Do plus I, we, you, they plus base form of the verb. So with the first person singular and plural, with second person singular and plural, and third person plural form, we use do. Do you play football? Do I play football? Do we play football? Do they play football? Does plus he plus it plus base form of the verb. Here are the example. Does he play football? Does she play football? If the subject is in your third person singular number, so we use it to make the question, we use does.